to discuss about the nautical chart and also my partner. Nautical chart is very important in navigation tools because navigation chart emphasizes the features of a Earth's surface. Then, unlike the map, chart gives you the features and emphasizes the water and the position of the mariners to have a safe route in their navigation or to their destination. So we have here the parts of a nautical chart, which nautical chart we have here the title block, the chart datum, the scale, and as you can see, this nautical chart has 75,000 at the latitude of 50 degrees and 30 minutes. Since it has 75,000, the scale, so this is a coastal chart.
To find the coordinates of the navigational chart, we must know the longitude and the latitude. First is how to measure the longitude. So, to measure the longitude, it measures from east to west. And the latitude, it measures from north to south. For you to get the distance, you must use the navigational instrument, which is the compass divider. So you can use the compass divider to get the miles of your position. Like for example, the position from this point to this point. To get your course, you must use the navigational instrument, which is the triangle, for you to able to get the course. So like for example, this point. So for you to be able to get the course, you must move your instrument to the compass rose to get your course. Just like one